Today I am going to talk about mindful eating and emotional eating. Mindful eating is eating which we can enjoy our food, respect our hunger and also feel the fullness of our food what we are eating. So it is not just eating whatever we want or however we want or whenever we want. Mindful eating is an art where we can eat our food when we are really hungry or when we want to eat, or whenever we are full we can stop there and we can enjoy our food slowly. So in this mindful eating, it is very much important that we concentrate on our hunger. Whenever we are hunger only, we should eat our food, or whenever we feel full, we have to stop our food. So this helps us to control on our food what we eat, and it is not only helping our normal general population but also for all diabetics or people with any therapeutic diet if they are following. So mindful eating is the best to follow. About emotional eating, so whenever anybody, like whoever is very happy or in sorrow or depressed, they tend to eat with the food, or they tend to pass their stress with their food. So it is not so good or not very important also. Whenever we are hungry or anything, if we eat, we will know what we are eating. But when we are doing as an emotional eating, whatever the food we are taking, we can take extra amount, or we'll be eating over and above the requirement. So we have to stop on carb on emotional eating. So what we have to do, whenever we feel very happy, we should see that what we want and we should know what we are eating. So there we can control and we can do mindful eating. Emotional eating is we try to take the foods which are rich in carbohydrates, we try to take oily foods or fried foods, because the mental imbalance, it will be in such a way that we carb for such foods which is not good for our health. So that has to be stopped, or we have to avoid emotional eating. It is always best to practice mindful eating and enjoy the food whatever you are eating. There are many tips that you can follow in mindful eating. Eating food when you are really hungry. When you have the growling in your stomach and you want to eat food, then you have your food. So whenever you are eating, see that you eat with your hand so that you enjoy your food, the texture of the food and the warmness of the food, everything you can enjoy, and you eat how much ever you want. And do not practice eating food in front of your TV or mobile or anything. It is always good that if you eat on your dining table or on floor, whenever if you are comfortable eating on your floor, but you have to enjoy your food eating. So this is what we want to convey. The mindful eating and emotional eating is always contraindicating for each other, but still it's always good to practice mindful eating